Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. So this one is the part 2 video of rear power window installation on Volkswagen cars. As you can see, this one is the power window switch of Highline models. The circuit inside the switch on Highline models and base models are entirely different. So have a look at this socket and pins. So I will show you the difference between both the switches. We are used to the Trendline model switches on both rear sides. So now you can see the difference between both the switches. The socket and the pins are entirely different. So friends, now coming to the car side, on the previous part I have shown you the rear left wiring and how to route the wiring and all. So the same process has been done on right side also, and all the connections were made now. As you can see, we mount the motor on place and give the connection. And also guys, I have routed the wiring as per the OEM standard. Now I will show you how to give the switch connection. So this is the coupler for switch. Just insert into the socket and give a push. It will make a click sound. Yeah, that's it. So the right side door connection is completed. So friends, our both rear inside door connections are completed. Now it's the time for giving the main wiring to the door. So this one is the male pin coupler. We can find this coupler inside this pillar. And before that we have to remove the pillar trims and all. In stock condition, the rear door comes with only door latch and speaker connections. So I have made this wire along with pin for giving plus 12 volt supply to the door. So for working of our window motor, both the plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt is required. The minus 12 volt supply is already available inside the door in stock condition. So we need only one extra wire for giving plus 12 volt. So guys, I have inserted the cable just beside minus 12 volt cable. There's also a locking system is there inside this coupler. As you can see, this pink part is a locking system actually. So we have to unlock this pin part before inserting the pin into the hole. Otherwise, it will not sit properly on the place. Now all the connection is okay. So fix it on the same place. Now connect both the couplers together. It has also a locking system. I will show you how to lock. Just insert onto that coupler, and this orange part is the lock actually. Just push it, that's it, and close it with this rubber cover. Yeah, that's it. So guys, our next job is to give plus 12 volt supply to this cable. Before that we have to route this cable properly using cable tie and all. So guys, I have routed the wiring up to driver side. This cable is going to the rear right side, and this one is coming from left side. Guys, there is also an option for tapping connection from passenger side. Why I didn't choose that, I will tell you. I have made the same pin connection here also, and this one is the male pin coupler at driver side. So guys, in Trendline models, the driver side window switch comes like this in stock. So I plan to upgrade to this switch which comes with a window lock feature. So guys, due to that reason, I have routed the wiring up to driver side, and this is the driver side door wiring. I have removed this also. There is some minor upgradation is required on this wiring also. All the insulation has been removed. So this is our stock switch, as you can see. So friends, have a look at the number of pins available. I hope you can see this clearly. There are total 8 number of pins. On the bottom row there are 3 pins and 2 slots are vacant. So our new switch consists of total 10 pins. That means the 2 extra pins are dedicated for a window lock. So guys, we have to add 2 extra pins for that window lock switch. So the same pins are available with me in stock. And it should be in same size and length, otherwise it will not insert or hold inside the coupler. It is easily going inside. So guys, now I added some length of wire to the pins, and the joints are properly insulated using shrink pipe, as you can see. And for strong contact and hold, I had done soldering on both the pins. So one pin is with the short wire, and the other one is lengthy. The length should be sufficient that it will be reached up to our door main coupler. The other end of the lengthy wire will insert into this door main coupler. For that we have to find one empty slot. One empty slot is available here, as you can see. So it will go like this. Before that we have to route this single wire along with these wires. Up to here. So guys, I have routed the wiring inside these rubber attachments, and it is routed along with the other wires. Right here up to our window switch coupler. So here it is vacant. Insert this end of the wire on one of the available 2 vacant slots. So the connection of the lengthy wire has been done. Next one is our short wire. The one end of the short wire is also attached to the vacant slot on the coupler. Now we are going to insert this end of the long wire on one of the available vacant slot. It will not go inside unless you have unlocked the locking system on this coupler. So you can see there is a pin attachment on this coupler. That is the locking system for all the pins, which holds the entire pin on the slot. Now it is easily went inside. Now for locking the pins, just push this pin attachment on the opposite side. Now all the pins are secured, and this side is okay now. Now coming to the other side, one connection is remaining. For the connection of this wire, first of all we have to find plus 12 volt supply wire from the existing stock wiring. Plus 12 volt supply wire is already available with the front door wiring. I hope you guys can see the color coding. So this single wire with the color coding red and black is dedicated for plus 12 volt supply. So just join both the wires together. So guys, now I joined both the wires together, as you can see, and also it is insulated using shrink pipe. So guys, our wiring upgradation has been completed now. As you can see, we added two extra pins for rear window lock and lock switch. Now I will insulate the wall wiring and come to you. So guys, I came here and it's a time for attaching the door wiring. As you can see, the full wiring is insulated properly using cotton tape. So guys, we have to start from this side. Insert the wiring from this opening. And it will rotate from here. And take out the main coupler from this opening. Actually, it is not a hard task to route the wire. Because of shooting the video, I am not able to use my other hand. At some points on the wire, there is some minor locking system is there for locking the wire. So guys, after the full routing of wire, I will come to you. Okay. So guys, the full wiring has been done properly and neatly. So here is our window switch coupler. So guys, that's it in part 2 video. In part 3 video, I will come with remaining connections and working. Thank you.